Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage shows an officer knocked to the ground during a traffic stop before the situation turns critical. Watch how fast control is lost here. Subscribe for more real-world breakdowns like this.
What are you doing, man?
Alpha 122, we're out with them.
Right here, officers are attempting to assess what's happening, but the lack of cooperation starts to complicate things.
Hey, bro. Hey.
I'm not under work.
Listen.
Yo, you're being detained.
We're just patting you down.
For what? You're
You
walking
can't walk on the highway.
I'm on the side.
My man, you cannot walk on the side either. We just got to pass you down and take you off the highway.
You can hear his speech here. It's unclear and hard to follow. And when communication starts to break down like this, it makes it much harder for officers to understand what they're dealing with in the moment.
I'm 12 minutes. Can y'all drop me off at my house?
That's fine, as long as you're cool with us, okay? We just got to pat you down. Hey, we're not handcuffing
I'm not turning around, bro.
We just got to pat you down before
I
we
don't
put you
have
in the
nothing.
car.
Look.
Okay, so let me check. I'm not getting
Check
in your
it.
pocket.
Right here, officers ask if he has anything on him. And instead of responding clearly, he starts reaching into his pockets. Movements like this create uncertainty in the moment, and that can quickly change how officers respond.
Check it.
I'm not going in you. I'm just patting you down.
This is my lady right here, bro.
Okay, hop in with her. That's fine.
As another person arrives, officers allow him to head toward the vehicle. Decisions like this can calm things down, but they can also make the situation harder to manage if it escalates.
Get in the car. We're going to arrest you. I'm about to arrest you. Get in.
For what?
Walking on the freeway. It's a crime. Get in the car.
He makes it to the vehicle, but now he starts directing comments toward the officers. When interactions shift like this, it can increase tension and make the situation harder to control.
Get in the car. Go. Go.
At this point, the vehicle leaves the scene and the interaction comes to an end, for now. But this won't be the last encounter, and the next time they meet, the situation escalates much further.
Alpha 525 traffic.
You said Alpha 535?
Alpha 525.
A short time later, officers locate the vehicle again at a different location and re-engage. At this point, what started earlier isn't resolved, and situations like this can escalate quickly.
Read the state of the license plate, but it's going to be Echo X-ray 70244. I'll let you know what the state is when I get a chance. Should come back to a black Jeep.
10.
Right here, he opens the passenger door. Movements like this can change the dynamic quickly, especially before officers have clear control of the situation.
Dude.
He steps out of the vehicle and starts walking toward the officers. Closing distance like this can quickly raise the risk and make the situation harder to control.
Hey, don't get out the car like that.
Sir, can
Don't get out. No.
Sir.
Listen. Go
Sir,
stand
sir,
over here. Go
sir.
stand over here.
Sir.
Go stand over here.
I don't have any weapons.
Listen.
Bro, please don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
In my way.
Right here, he swings at the officer. At that point, the situation has clearly escalated into a direct threat. After being knocked to the ground, the officer fires his weapon as the situation continues to escalate. At this point, the threat is still active and rapidly unfolding.
Shit. Yeah, sorry.
After that, the officer creates distance from the threat. The individual goes down, indicating he may have been struck.
What's up? Go ahead and holster. Holster up. He's shot. Stop! Stop right there. You got the suspect. The suspect down right in front of you. Still moving. Do not move! Do not move!
At this point, the individual is on the ground, and officers are giving clear commands not to move. Commands like this are used to maintain control and reduce any further risk in the moment.
Did you have a gun, sir?
I don't know. He was reaching for something. Hey, I got Holland Park out with me.
Do not move!
They got him down at gunpoint. He's down.
Officers continue giving commands while keeping him at gunpoint. Maintaining control like this is critical until they can safely secure the situation.
I'm gonna cut your shirt off, bro. You gotta get to your wounds.
Dude, shoot that. Get off the radio.
Good job.
Okay, I got one right here.
At this point, officers begin assessing his condition and trying to determine where he's been struck. This step is critical so they can understand the severity of the situation and provide the right response.
Come on.
Get that.
You got it?
Casing? Yeah. We can't find
Is that
the
from
gun.
him or?
I don't know if that's from him or you guys.
Might be both.
What'd you say? All right. Hey,
You can hear sirens approaching in the background, indicating medical units are responding to the scene. At this point, both the individual and the officer may require medical attention following the confrontation.
Help us sweep the area for the gun.
y'all's officers over here.
Start looking for it. These are guns. I got one picture right here.
Alpha 515.
Hey, LT.
You all right? Stay with me. Stay with me, brother.
Keep talking, man. What's your name?
Hey,
You got a
what's your
gunshot
name?
wound to the left abdomen. You want to get a seal on it or anything?
Officers continue checking the area while communicating with him and managing the scene. From what can be seen here, the individual appears to have been struck in the hand, while the officer also seems to have minor injuries from the fall. This marks the end of the encounter, but it shows how quickly situations like this can escalate. This brings the encounter to a close, but it highlights how fast control can be lost in situations like this. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.